Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 free ways that you guys can make video calls. Alright, so the first method to make a free video call is with Facebook Messenger. So I'm here on Facebook right now, and you want to go to the profile of the person that you want to call. And this is my business partner, Arit. And I'm going to head over to her profile and click message. This is just the generic messenger. And then from here, you can either do a video call or just a regular voice audio call. Now, some people won't have this feature enabled because they don't want to accept video calls or audio calls, but for the most part, people do have this feature enabled on their Facebook. So this is a completely free way to call someone, either video or audio. You just need an internet connection. And you can do this both on desktop, which is right now here, or on your Facebook Messenger app on your phone. So the same thing would apply. You just go to your Messenger app, and then you type the name of the person that you want to call. So I'm gonna say, I typed in Arit into the search there at the top. You just type in, and then it's already in there. And then same thing, in the top right hand corner, you're gonna see a camera and a little telephone, and that's going to be the same thing as on here on the computer. Another thing to mention, that this is from Facebook to Facebook, so you have to be calling someone, a friend on Facebook. If they're not on Facebook, then you obviously can't use this feature. The second method is WhatsApp. So you want to make sure to have the WhatsApp app installed onto your phone. The other person will need to also have the WhatsApp app. It's a free app. And when you add someone in, when you add their telephone number in your contacts, then it's just like a regular contacts directory, and you can call them on your phone. So I've got here my business partner Arit, and I can also call her via audio or video. On the top right hand corner, you can see the camera and the telephone, same as in Facebook. Again, you're just going to need an internet connection and the installation of this app, and input your contact into WhatsApp. The third method to make free video calls is through Skype. So that is also an app that you can download on your phone, and you can also install it on your desktop as well. So here on the Skype desktop app, I have it here, and if I wanted to call my business partner, I would have to click on her on the side or search for her in the search, and you would need to have also put her in to your contacts on Skype. Click on that, and then here in the top right hand area, you can either make a video call or an audio call. Same thing on the app. When you click on someone, in the top right hand area, after you've clicked on the name of someone, you can click either the camera or the telephone icon to make a video or audio call. The last method is through an app called Zoom. This is more of a business vibe feel to it. A lot of entrepreneurs and business people use Zoom, but you can still also use it for casual video calling as well. So this is the Zoom app right here, and you can have it both on your desktop and mobile. Basically, it's the same way as Skype. You add people in your contacts. There's one person in our contact, and then when you click on that, you can make a regular call or a video call. I'm also going to put a link down in the description below. My business partner Arit created a Zoom tutorial on how to set up Zoom meetings if you want more of a professional video type call if it's for business. So you guys can check that out down in the description below. Alright guys, so that is the 4 ways you guys can make free video calls: Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Skype, and Zoom. So if I was able to help you out at all, please let us know by giving us a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.